Hello guys, my name is Krishna Gupta and you are most welcome to my channel Infotainment Media. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate you that you are serious for your life. You don't want to waste your time, you want to utilize it. See, I'm making this video in this time of coronavirus pandemic, but it will be effective in the future also. What I saw in this quarantine period was that many of my friends were wasting their time in playing games, but I don't like it because I am serious for life. I seriously want to do something, I want to become successful. And if you also want to become successful in life, then you really need to watch this video. Now, I'm not saying that playing games is bad. No, it is not at all bad. But everything should have limit. Social media games, everything should have limit. At least max to max 1 to 2 hours in a day. That's enough for games. And the rest of the time, you should invest it to do something that will be good for your future, that will be good for your career. So, what are the things? To use your time effectively, the first thing, your attitude. Your attitude should be learning attitude. You should have a learning attitude. You should learn a new thing every day. You should be open your mind to learn everything. Whatever comes, if you like it, learn it. Don't ever miss the chance of learning anything, because learning is directly proportional to the earning. The more you will learn, the more you will earn. Anyone said, I don't remember his name, that if you learn every day a new thing and apply it, after 6 months you will become totally a different person. And after 2 years, you will become the person you always wanted to be. So, learning is the most important. Also, now I want to talk about the second thing. The second thing is that if you were ever thinking of doing anything, just start doing it. Whatever you wanted to do, just start doing it. If you wanted to start a YouTube channel, if you wanted to start a Instagram, Facebook page, if you wanted to sing, dance, if you wanted to do a business, whatever you wanted to do, just start doing it. Whatever you have don't matter, how much you know don't matter, just start doing it. You will learn in the process. The founder of Alibaba, Jack Ma, said that the youngsters who are in the age of between 16 to 24, they should not ever fear of mistake. Do mistakes, because you will learn from mistakes. So whatever you were thinking, just start doing it. This was my second thing, that start doing it now onwards. Today you are going to do the thing which you were thinking from many times and you were not able to do it for any reason. I don't know why. Just do it. Start it. Whatever you have started. Now the third thing is that you have to learn time management, to use time effectively. I know it will take time. It's not an easy process to manage your time, but it is very important. You know what is the difference between all the successful people and us? This is the time management. They also have 24 hours and we also have 24 hours, but they use their 24 hours in such a way that they are successful and we are on the process. So time management is very important, that every successful person respects his time, and time is money. You have heard that. So you should learn time management. Now how can you learn? You can learn from other YouTube videos. I will also make video on this if you will comment. Okay, but I want to give you one tip about that. Here I have something. I have made this 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 is called urgent important matrix. Here you can see this is called urgent important matrix. What I have written is that urgent, not urgent, important, not important. So first you have to do, in a day you have to write all the things which you have to do. Now do the thing which is urgent and the important. Urgent and important, do the first. And then there are some work which are not important, like your mama has sent you to shop to bring some things, so that is urgent but not that important. So that is the second thing you have to do. Urgent and important you have to do the first, and then urgent not important, and then you have to do the thing which is not urgent but important for your life, like revising notes if you are studying, like doing the things whatever, but not urgent but doing is important. And the last comes, which is not important and not urgent. You have to do these things in last. So this tip you can follow, but this is not the full time management. You have to learn it step by step, but from here you can start. You can divide your task in a day. So what is important, urgent, not important, and you can do that. Okay, so if you want any help, you can always comment, you can ask all questions. Thank you for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, subscribe my channel, and if you like this, please, if you like this video, then please like it. I would be feeling very happy. Thank you very much.